Hey, what's going on, everybody? What's going on YouTube, World Wide Web, the internet? We are EXQUISITEMAD, and we are officially international. We are here in the Bahamas right now, and as you can see, it is absolutely gorgeous. It's paradise. But just want to let you know that we are now taking on clients across the world, across the United States, any state, any place, and especially here in the Bahamas, we can take care of everything from aviation to trucking, marine, and also automobiles. So if you're a movie star or a politician or someone else that needs to get your vehicle detailed, we can handle that. If you're in the industrial sector or government sector, we can also take care of you there too. So we're also available worldwide. So we're able to go anywhere in the world. And if you are interested and getting services, please contact us at 800-292-2341. That's 800-292-2341 or exquisitemad.com. Be sure to like and subscribe for videos just like this. We're going to be coming out with a lot more videos so you can actually see us traveling, see us working, experience it with us. And if you're in the Bahamas and you're here in the country, we can take care of you everywhere from Grand Bahama, Exuma, Bimini, Turks and Caicos, wherever. We got you. So see you on the next video, everybody. Bye-bye.